EHang 216. In the quadcopter drone market, EHang is a major participant. The firm intends to apply its unmanned electric VTOL technology to human applications in the future. The EHang 216 is based on the EHang 184, except instead of 4 arms, it has 8. This permits the vehicle to accommodate 2 people rather than simply 1. The EHang 116 is the name of the single-seat variant. EHang received a Special Flight Operations Certificate for their 216 logistics freight drone in the summer of 2020. In-flight operational systems for the EHang eVTOL aircraft are proprietary. The autopilot and flight control system collects information from accelerometers, gyroscopes, a magnetic compass, barometers, vision sensors, GNSS receivers, millimeter wave radars, and other sensors, and uses it to make intelligent navigation decisions. Communications, battery management, and safety management are among the other systems supported by the EHang Command Center. Over 2,000 passenger flight tests for the EHang 216 aircraft have been performed, including flying in winds up to 44 miles per hour, in fog, and with poor visibility circumstances of roughly 164 feet. EHang is also pursuing FAA certification for its aircraft in the United States, with their maiden flight test taking place in January 2020. EHang has also created a variety of e-ports that enable for rooftop landing on tall structures with automated storage on the inside. E-ports were created for structures with both big and small roof surfaces. Ground and water-based landing facilities have also been built for e-ports. I hope you enjoy the video, but if you want to stay up to date about the latest tech reviews and new innovations, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Tactical Robotics Cormorant. The Cormorant, previously named Air Mule, is an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, conceived and developed by Israel's Urban Aeronautics to satisfy Israeli Defense Forces needs. In January 2010, the Cormorant successfully completed its first phase of flight testing. Its first flight, which was supposed to take place in April 2009, has been postponed. The UAV was transported to an airfield in central Israel in June 2009 to conduct a series of ground tests for hover testing. In 2011, Urban Aeronautics started flying tests of the Cormorant prototype, which now had a redesigned wheeled landing gear and a better sensor suite. Controps D-stamp stabilized, electro-optic payload, and a double redundant hydraulic system were added to the UAV in 2012. Test flights of the improved air vehicle began in late 2012, and by December 2013, a handful of fully automated test flights had been completed. In December 2011, work on the second prototype began. In November 2016, Urban Aeronautics successfully completed the first autonomous pattern flight of the Cormorant UAV. Please enjoy the rest of the video, and if you like it, remember to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Airbus pop-up. Air travel always involves more than taking an airplane. City-to-city transportation generally involves taking a vehicle or cab to a train or to a shuttle and to a terminal where you can catch a flight, just to reverse the procedure at the other end, with a little jogging thrown in for good measure. Pop-up, a prototype 2-passenger pod that hooks to a pair of wheels, hangs under a quadcopter, joins with others to form a train, and even zips through a Hyperloop 2, is Airbus' insane notion to revolutionize all of that. When traffic backs up, this insane notion blurs the once clear borders between planes, trains, and vehicles, allowing people to take to the sky. To put it another way, it's a flying automobile. Even if it's a pretty interesting flying automobile, designed by Ital Design, and revealed at the Geneva Motor Show, it's still a flying car. Yes, that's far-fetched, but Airbus claims it's considering it. Adding a third dimension to seamless multimodal transportation networks would undoubtedly improve how we live and move from point A to point B. It all seems ridiculous, yet it's occurring, according to some prominent people. Dubai, the most opulent of Emirates, intends to start using people-carrying drones later this year. Please enjoy the rest of the video, and if you like it, remember to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Varialift airships. Airships were originally thought to be the way of the future. They are now being promoted as a more environmentally friendly mode of transportation. Varialift Airships, located in the United Kingdom, is developing a solar-powered airship that may be used to transport cargo worldwide with zero emissions. The airship would consume 8% of the fuel that a typical jet airliner would require on a transatlantic journey between the UK and the US. Please enjoy the rest of the video, and if you like it, remember to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel, which will limit flying to daylight hours and a speed of about half that of a Boeing 747. According to its inventors, it will be capable of carrying loads ranging from 50 to 250 tons. Varialift hasn't started building its production model yet. However, a 459-foot long, 85-foot wide, and 85-foot-high prototype is presently being built in France. The Volocopter VC200. The Volocopter VC200 is a twin-seat, 18-motor, all-electric helicopter developed by Evolo, a German firm. The helicopter is designed to serve as a new mode of urban transportation. In November 2013, the VC200 aircraft flew for the first time at DM Arena in Karlsruhe. The prototype aircraft's test flights were completed in November 2015. Please enjoy the rest of the video, and if you like it, the VC200 helicopter is the second in a series of multi-rotor designs that were granted authorization to operate as ultralight aircraft by German aviation authorities in February 2016. The aircraft's maiden manned flight took place in March 2016 at a southern German airport. The VC200 helicopter is made of lightweight fiber composite material and is based on EVC-1 Volo's proof-of-concept helicopter. It's a vertical takeoff and landing platform that can also hover. The concept might be used as a foundation for manned aircraft or heavy-duty drones. Please enjoy the rest of the video, and if you like it, remember to hit the like button, and if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Comment and subscribe to our channel.